Okay, dear students, in this video we are going to talk about quadratic formula, the very important topic of our chapter quadratic equations. In the previous video we have learned about how to factorize a quadratic equations, right? Now in this video we'll just find the roots of the quadratic equations, or we'll solve the quadratic equations by quadratic formula. But what is that? See, now equation for quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we have, see, x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. So this is quadratic formula where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x. But what is d here? This d is called discriminant, and this discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So if you calculate the value of d and a, b, you know already, if you put here you'll get the answer directly. Okay, but this discriminant will give you whether the equation have equal roots or no real roots, or maybe distinct real roots. That is called nature of roots. We'll discuss that nature of roots in the next section. Here we'll directly use this identity, this formula, to solve the given equations. Okay, suppose you have an equation, this, what will happen? See, suppose you have 5x square minus 13x plus 8 is equals to 0. Here a is 5, b is minus 13, and c is 8, isn't it? Then d will be b square minus 4ac, that is minus 13 square, b square minus 4 into a is 5 and c is 8, right? So 13 square minus square is plus, 13 square is 169, isn't it? Minus 4 5 20 into 8 160, right? That is equals to 9. Therefore the value of x will be minus b. The value of b is minus 13 plus minus root over d is 9 divided by 2 into a is how much? The value of a is 5. This gives you 13 minus minus plus. Okay, plus minus square root of 9 is 3, as you know very well. 2 5 10. Therefore x is equals to 13 plus 3 by 10, or x is equals to 13 minus 3 by 10. One time plus, one time minus. As you know, x will have, the quadratic equation have two values of x. So this gives you x equals to 13 plus 3 is 16 by 10. That is how much? 2 8 16 2 5 10, or x is equals to here 10 by 10, that is 1. So this is very easy, and like it will be more easier than factorization in many of the cases. Okay, when the equations have some difficult coefficient, then to split the middle term sometimes you might get difficult. Okay, but here we don't need to split it, just do the calculations and just put the value, you'll get the answer. Okay, let us try some more examples. Suppose, say, we have another equation, solve for x, that is root 3x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equals to 0. So we need to find the value of x. Okay, so here a is equals to root over 3. Okay, b, how much b? Tell me. This is minus 2 root over 2, and c is minus 2 root over 3, right? So what will be d? This implies d, we know the formula, b square minus 4ac, isn't it? Now when b square minus 4ac means, what is b square? Minus 2 root over 2 whole square, right? Minus 4 into a is root over 3, and c is minus 2 root over 3. Check this out. B square, this b square, minus 4 a and c. So this will be how much? 2 minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, root 2 square is only 2. So 4 into 2, that is 8. This minus is plus. Okay, 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 4 into 2. How much? 3 into 4 into 2. 24. Yes. So that is equals to how much? 24 plus 8. 8 plus 24 is 32. This is your D. Therefore, x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of d by 2a. This is our quadratic formula. That is equals to minus of, what is b? Minus 2 root over 2 is b. Look at this, okay, carefully. Square root of 32 divided by 2 into a is root 3. A is root 3. Now see, this is equals to minus minus plus 2 root over 2 plus minus 32. 32 is how much? If you factorize it, you will get how much? 2 into 16, right? So square root of 16 into 2 is 32. That is 4 root over 2. 16 is 4 root 2. This is 4 root over 2 divided by 2 root over 3. Therefore, x is equals to 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 by 2 root over 3, or x is equals to 2 root 2 minus 4 root over 2 divided by 2 root over 3. One time plus, one time minus without changing the other things, okay? This is 2 root 2, 4 root 2. Total is 6 root over 2 divided by 2 root over 3. Right, this how much? See, 2 3 are 2 1 2, 2 3s are 6, so 3 root over 2 by 3 you can write, because root 2 by root 3, or simply, or instead of that you can write 3 root 2 by root 3. This is also same, okay, no problem. Or here x is equals to 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2, that is minus 2 root 2 divided by 2 root over 3, or simply 2 to cancel, you'll get minus root 2 by root 3, or you can write minus root over 2 by 3 also. This is also same. So this is how we apply quadratic formula to solve the given quadratic equations in simple way, okay? It is very easy.